Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Vauxhall Corsa, 58 plate 2008, metallic black. Car has 15-inch alloy wheels. It's got privacy rear glass. Folding rear seats. Black velour interior. It's got 5 headrests. Isofix, child seat preparation. It's got electric window, electric mirror. Car has CD. It's got aux connection, MP3, air conditioning, 2 central cup holders, 5-speed manual gearbox. It's got multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.